Hello friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to this GenAI learning video series. In the previous video, you learned how to create GenAI email generator project and GenAI text summarizer project. Now, there is a problem here. If I need to generate an email, then I need to run this file, right? The email generator. If I need to get the text summarizer, then I need to run this file, right? But what if I can say like we can have a multi-app tool where like we just need to say we just need to tell our choice, and then based on the choice we can get our work done. Means we can get the response. So let me explain what I'm saying. Like, so let's say we are going to create a multi-app tool for the GenAI using GenAI. We're going to create a GenAI multi-app tool where we'll have a choice, a menu like one, we can say as an email generator project, number two, that will be text summarizer, and third, that will exit from the program. And in future we can add more program into that multi tool app. So and if user enters one, then email generator app will be that is started, and then it will take the response, take the input from user, and then uh, give the response, right? And if user say 2, then text summarizer will be executed like that. So how can we do that? Let me show you. So first we'll create a new file, and I'll give it like GenAI underscore multi-tool app. Okay, sorry, I need to do it like multi-tool app dot py. How can we start? So first thing, you always know that we need to write here from OpenAI, then import OpenAI. This one, next line. Let's establish a connection. So I will say client equal to OpenAI, and I already have the API key added to my environment variable. Now after that, I want to print a three option. First for email generator, second for text summarizer, and third as a exit. So I will take print here. Print. First I will say select an option from below like that, or select an option like that. Okay. Now I'll copy and paste this one. Now here I'll say one, then one as a email generator, copy and paste. Two, and this will be a text summarizer. Third will be option three. It will be exit, because currently we have two projects available. So third will be exit, and after that we can add here one new line. After that I'll ask user to share their choice. So I'll take here as a input function, open close bracket, in the double quotes I'll say enter your choice. Got it? Here I'll take the choice into the choice variable. Next line. And then now here we are going to use if statement. So I'm going to say if choice double equals to the double quotes 1. So if choice equal to 1, Then we'll have to write a program for email generator, colon. Then from here, I'll start writing the program for the email generator. Okay, so now I'll say, again I will take the input, and this time um, user will share their um, text for the email generator. And you remember there was like two options. First is the, the text that user wants to share, and second, that is tone, right? So you can see it from here. So we'll be doing like this way. We'll take the topic and then we'll take tone. There's two things we'll take it here. So I'm going to just paste here. Okay, next line. Now we have topic and tone. Now I'll write here response, so that we'll have a output here, and then client dot responses dot create, open close bracket. Next line, our model here. Model will be in the double quotes, GPT 4o mini, comma. This time it will be input. So input, you remember, like we have this topic and tone, both will come from user. So I'll say F in the double quotes, like I'm going to apply formatting here, and then say this is for email generator. So write, and this will be tone. So like write professional or casual or like friendly email, like that. So we'll take it the same way. This one, write email for this topic. Write this for this topic, and topic will be, again it will come from our user side. So we'll say topic. Topic will be this one, right? Once user will enter their choice here, that topic here, that will be applied to this, and this will be sent as a request to server, and then we'll be getting the response here in this variable. Now I'm going to print that response here. So response dot output underscore text. Got it? Now this is done for choice one, means the email generator. Now the next one will be for choice two. So to add another decision, another statements, I will write here elif, right? And then this time I will say choice double equals to 2 colon. And now this time I will ask for the text summarizer. I will ask like input again, like your text input, and enter your text like that. Now we'll be taking here response equal to, again client dot responses dot create, open close bracket, same model. So instead of writing, if we have like this way, instead of writing this way, we can take it from the top itself, right? And same thing will be applied. So we can take it like this way. See, let's take it model equal to this. I'll say my model. This is my variable I'm going to take, and I'm going to take here my sorry. Uh, I'll take my model, and here I'll replace that with the my model. Got it? Same thing I will apply here as well. Model equals to this one. So instead of writing the same thing again and again, I can take it from the top. Okay, then here I'll have a input. double equals to I'll say summarize the text in short bullet points. And there's one plus I'll take that the text which is entered by the user here, and then I will print here. Print will be response dot output underscore text. Now I'm going to take another elif for exit. Elif choice double equals to 3. Then this time just say I'm going to say exit. Sorry, let me put colon. Take one indentation, and after before exiting I'll say print exiting the GenAI project. Okay, and after that I'll take elif and then else. I'll take a print and then I will say invalid choice. Means let's say if you're putting one, if user is entering one, that means it will be for email generator. If it's 2, then text summarizer. If it is 3, then exit. If 4, then that should be a invalid choice. Okay, we can also follow the best practice to add that comment here, like say this is for or like email generator GenAI project. This is for text summarizer GenAI project, and this will be uh, exit from program, and this one is invalid choice. Got it? Choose model. Got it. Now we are going to run this. We are ready to run this. And you see here, we are getting select an option from below. And there are 3 options: email generator, text summarizer, and exit. So we need to just add here in the enter a choice here. The better we can take it like this way. And so I'll say 1. Now it's asking for the enter topic. So topic, like again, write email for 5 days of annual leave to go to hometown. Got it? And this is again professional email, and you see the output. Now I'll run again. This time I'll say enter choice 2 and then enter text. This is like I'll copy and paste this one. This is my input, and you see a request for 5 days of annual leave. Date is like start to end. I have not given that date. Visit hometown for personal matters and family time. Done. Now this time again I'll run that. Now my choice will be 3, and you see exit in the program, and then this is done. So this way you can create a multi-tool app. I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel, and please do comment on this video. I really want your feedback on this one. Thank you.